Are you getting this something went wrong, please try again later, error on Roblox, and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your Roblox app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So just open up your settings app, and as you can see, you should now be taken here. In here we're just going to scroll down, and then you're going to click on general in here, as you can see, then scroll down in here again and click on storage. And now you're just going to simply wait for this page to completely load in here. And now when it's done, as you can see, it's going to load all the apps. Now when it's done, you're going to scroll up like this, and until you can see the search bar up top. So click on the search bar, search for Roblox in here, and click on the Roblox app. Now click on upload app, and once again click on upload app. This shouldn't log you out of your account, just so you know. Instead, it's going to actually auto update. So click on the reinstall app button here, and just wait for it to now to completely update to its latest version. So I did this, and when it was done, I just went back into my account and into my Roblox app. So when it was done, I went back, it was now working for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.